Morning, Wear Fam. It is day 2 over here in Jaipur at Fairmont. Jerry and I have woken up. I woke up before you.
Yes,
I showered, I've changed into this lovely floral cord set, and our breakfast is here. It is a breakfast for champions. We are going to be eating a lot of things this morning. There's a lot of yummy stuff, like there's chocolate covered, there's croissants, there's strawberries with something that looks honey glazed, there's lots of fruits, there's juice, there's dosa, there's pancake. There's a lot of things over here, and we are both pretty hungry. So first things first, we're going to kick off this day with some Pet Puja, and then I'm going to tell you what's on the itinerary for the rest of the day. G, hungry?
Yes.
G, excited?
Yes.
Shall we eat? Okay, we're going to get back to you. Okay, so we spent the morning basically having breakfast, chilling in our room for a bit. Yesterday we did a part of the property tour that I showed you guys, and today we kind of went around and saw a lot more areas. I'm going to insert pictures over here for you to see because this place is super pretty and there's so much more to see even. We're right now outside Zoya, one of their restaurants, and we're going to have lunch really soon. We have Radhika over here from the property. Hi Radhika. She's been taking us around and telling us about everything from the design to the thought to how you guys came up with all the different concepts squeezed into one huge property. So
all the stories. It's all about the stories.
And I'm loving it. I always geek out on the details, you know that. So it's just basically that for me. I'm really enjoying it. We have G over here, obviously, and we're about to sit down and have lunch. Okay, so we just got back to our room after that amazing lunch. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा के बहुत खुश हो गई हूँ, especially because like that's my kind of food.
Yeah.
I absolutely love that. You enjoyed the thalis yesterday,
Yes.
and the food over here is like so good. Okay, so little update by the way. हम actually आज थोड़ा सा sightseeing करने वाले थे, right? We were gonna go to a couple of forts. And kind of like explore Jaipur. We've both been to these forts before, but साथ में नहीं गए हैं. We've gone like I've gone with my family. He's gone in his like living in Delhi, traveling वो वाला days. We were going to go together, but one second, I'm going to get a little comfortable. We are beached whales once again. It's been a good eating.
Yes. Good eating.
Alhamdulillah. But basically we were going to go sightseeing, which didn't happen because हम इतना सोए कल रात को. We might land up going tomorrow. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah.
So we're just going to stay in the property today.
There's just so much to do here.
There's a lot to do, and the spot that they've shown us for the high tea, I'm very excited about. So basically where we're going for the high tea is this beautiful, it's called the Imperial Terrace. It's just this beautiful open terrace that faces the sunset.
Yeah.
And we went there when we were doing like the property tour yesterday, and it's just something that I'm really looking forward to because the position, the location is like really good. So maybe we'll nap for some time now. We have some time. We have about an hour and a half before the party.
Yeah.
हम खा के आए हैं और हम फिर से खा के जाएंगे. This is an anniversary celebration.
Yes.
Of food.
So
And
you're in charge of all anniversary surprises from now on. Because you've done such a good job.
so when I selected Fairmont and I was getting the bookings done and all of that, I knew you would like it because like we've talked about coming here for so long and we couldn't think of, like, we've made multiple plans to come here which have not materialized because those plans got hijacked by friends, or we, you know, like different things kept happening. So when I realized that we're coming here, I said this will be a real celebration because we're finally coming here and we're coming here to celebrate such a special day for us. Our 4th wedding anniversary trip.
Yes.
Yes.
Well done on it. Fairmont has always been one of my favorite hotels ever.
He stayed here before, no?
Yeah.
I haven't. This is my first time, so I understand the hype that you put for me.
And well done on choosing this. So here,
I mean, look at our terrace. It's like it's 5 times the size of like our house in Bombay. It is huge. If you've not seen the room tour, please go take a look at it from yesterday's vlog.
so I put you in charge of all anniversary celebrations from now on. Surprises from now on.
I'll keep bringing you here every year.
Done.
Okay, I'm gonna go freshen up. I want to sit and read a book. Maybe I'll nap actually. See you at the high tea. I randomly heard this knocking. I'm in bed lying down. And this monkey is over there trying to get my attention from the terrace. Hi. What? अरे ऐसे ही चला गया. कितना अजीब है ये आदमी सब कभी कभी. I don't want to come. No. It's too sunny. I want to rest. What happened? What happened? Why are you calling me into the sun? Are. Why are you calling me into the sun?
Good winter sun.
Yeah, actually, it is great winter sun. Nice warm sun. And then khuli hawa.
Yes.
Thandi hawa. Sorry, khuli hawa. I'm not saying yes also.
I'll say
So-
yes to anything that you say.
No, kuch bhi, huh? This is the only one of the 2 rooms that have such a huge terrace on this entire property. ये वाला terrace जो 6 माले वाला terrace है, we're on the 5th floor. The 6th floor also has a terrace that is this big, which are the only 2 suites that have such a huge terrace. And then over here, oh, there's a shoot going on over there. Wait, I'm going to try to zoom. This is the imperial terrace on the 1st floor, which is where our high tea is set up for. Looks like there is a shoot happening there right now. I miss my team. I think if my team was here, if Funny, Payal, Divyesh were here, we would have all been shooting so much fashion content. But that's totally fine because I get to experience this, like on holiday, which is also pretty fantastic, I think. Holiday, but I'm still working. I like vlogging for you guys. I don't mind vlogging when I'm on vacation because it makes me feel like I'm holidaying with all of you, like you're traveling with us.
So first, Anam Chashmawala was doing some natak about coming to the Dhoop. Apparently it was too bright, too sunny, etc. But look at this little cat who's found her spot in the sunshine. You know, this is what cats and dogs do, no? They find this little bit of sun and they go and sleep there. That's what she's done. Now she's refusing to get up.
Okay, so we are on our way to high tea and Jerry is upset with me.
Yeah.
He says that if I told him where we were going, basically didn't give him a surprise, he would have packed.
Accordingly.
Well, I mean, I told him to carry a couple of like nice clothes and shirts and stuff, but he's saying he would have carried like kurtas and stuff because I'm wearing like desi earrings. I'll show you a full picture of my OOTD over here. It's not Indian, only the earrings are Indian. But he's
But you
like,
look radiant.
thank you.
I look like a solar eclipse.
I married a weird man. He's upset because he couldn't dress accordingly. Fashion blogger ये है, मैं नहीं. Basically. है ना?
I'm carrying the stand.
I was carrying the stand. He took it from me saying, you're looking too nice. Give me the stand. Don't carry the stand. Okay, so now we're going into the Fairmont Gold. We saw this place yesterday and it's a beautiful lounge. It's part of the entire experience, the Fairmont experience. Hi. The terrace is set up for our high tea and that's where we're wedding. Hi, hello. And this is the beautiful Imperial Terrace which we could see from up there, which is our room terrace. The view over here is stunning and I see a lovely setup in place for our evening high tea table for 2. They really have gone all out in making our anniversary so special. This entire trip. Oh, and I love that there are red roses over here. Gee, this is so pretty. In case... Yeah, that's Prince the Parrot, which is their mascot. I was very intrigued. We were both very intrigued with this story. In case you're wondering why I'm carrying my tripod, by the way, guys, इस पे मैं time lapse के लिए रखने वाली हूँ side पे, ताकि मुझे थोड़े sunset के shots मिले, हम दोनों के shots मिले. Otherwise, you only get to see one or the other, depending on which of us is holding the phone or camera while vlogging. How lovely this is. And this is what this area overlooks. The pool is down there. We had the high tea over here yesterday, but it's over there today. And for us especially, it is over here. My green tea is here. Guys, I've become a full green tea convert, trying to give up on chai altogether and switch to green tea. And Jerry's black coffee, as usual. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
By the way, is anyone as obsessed with coconut cookies as me? I love these. I want to learn how to make these at home, huh? By the way, I think I should just YouTube a recipe and attempt it one of these days once we're back. So delicious. Never met a coconut cookie I didn't like. I love these babies.
We can't take you home. Nibbles will eat you up.
You are getting very weirdly attached to these parrots all over the property, huh?
Prince. Parrot.
मैं राधिका को पूछ के एक अपने सूटकेस में पैक कर दूंगी आपके लिए.
Prince the parrot.
Prince the parrot. Lots more food has arrived. Hi. Okay, so we're all freshened up. मुझे लगता है हम mostly खा ही रहे हैं यहाँ पे. But now we're going to go do something else and different. We're actually about to go to the cigar lounge, cigar lounge. Okay, and check out if that's something we want to try. I've never smoked a cigar in my life. I'm not a smoker in general. But Jerry has tried cigars before, and we thought that this would be the perfect time for him to actually have me try a cigar for the first time ever. It just looks really intimidating. Okay, so we are at the cigar lounge right now, and Gerard has walked into the humidor and gone through and done his research with Gaurav, who's been talking him through what is good and what's not.
This is our walk-in humidor. Humidor is basically where we store our cigars because we have to maintain the certain amount of temperature and humidity level so that the cigar remains intact because it's a whole tobacco leaves. There is no paper used in it.
We're here at the Cigar Divan. That is the humidor which I just showed you. That's where you preserve the cigars. And there's some brilliant artwork. Fidel Castro, Demi Moore, yeah. And that's of course Mr. Churchill smoking his famous Churchills.
We're both obviously complete newbies at this, never having smoked a cigar before, at least for me. So what they've selected is a Monte Cristo. Sorry? Puritos. Oh, okay, Puritos. And these are cigarellos? Cigarellos.
Or mini cigars.
Or mini cigars. And they actually look really cute. Look at this. It almost looks like a chocolate stick, if I may say so. And Gaurav is about to light one up for us. And I'm about to try a cigar for the first time in my life. This is very fascinating to me, guys.
Done, ma'am. Take a pause.
Okay, so I just tried my first ever cigar and it was actually really nice. I don't think I'm gonna make a habit out of it, but in case you land up not seeing the visuals of me smoking on camera, it's just because I'm trying to be responsible, even though I predominantly have most of you watching me over the age of 22, over the age of 25. I don't think I want to put that out on the internet. I don't want to try and give any wrong messages. So just putting that out there, but it was a really, really great experience and I'm glad I got to learn so much about it. Now we are on our way to dinner. I'm actually surprisingly hungry already. Considering how much I've been eating all day, I'm kind of surprised that I'm getting hungry. But bhook lag rahi hai, so I'm looking forward to this dinner even more. That is such a beautiful setup over here, especially for us. Y'all are making our anniversary trip more and more and more special with each meal and each experience.
So we're here for the second dinner, and here's my date. My anniversary date. There's a lovely little setup along with a little fire burning. It's slightly chilly.
It's not slightly chilly, it's pretty chilly, but it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's a
beautiful
little
weather.
tent setup.
It's correct. A little tent setup we have going on. Little fire to warm us. And the love of my life. It's so romantic.
I love
The
the
rose
setup.
petals everywhere, roses.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it is perfect.
perfect.
Anam, what are you doing?
Trying not to freeze.
Ah. How cold is it?
11 degrees. And our Bombay bums are freezing in this weather.
What all movies did we come up with?
You came up with.
Akshay Kumar did the Khiladi series. We are doing the Kulfi series.
Correct. Mr. and Mrs. Kulfi.
कुल्फियों का कुल्फी
मैं कुल्फी तू कुल्फी.
सबसे बड़ा कुल्फी.
My brain is frozen. So now I don't know.
That's a different movie series. Kulfi number 1.
Yes, he is the sweetest blogger husband that I have seen so far. Like so fun to be around.
This makes me very happy. Please introduce yourself in my
Hi,
blog.
I am Nafta, like a very big fan of hers. I bumped into her in Jaipur, but then I'm so happy to even found Jerry around.
It makes me happiest when I meet followers. It makes because
Yes,
it
I
gives me
know.
like virtually like we all know each other, but like getting to meet people in person is as special to me, even more special to me rather.
Oh my
because there are so
God.
many more people like for me to want to meet. You know, like I want to meet as many of my followers
But
all
then
over the world.
You keep bumping into people. It's very special for us to bump into
No,
you.
it's even more special for me because
is
I
it?
get to put out posts every day, and I feel like you all know so many things about my life, but now I get to ask you, like, you know, where are you from and what do you do? I remember the first time I was in Bangkok shopping, and this group of girls came up to me, and I cried after meeting them.
Oh, you.
And I was like,
I think that was in your vlog. Huh?
I don't even remember if it was in my blog, but I remember that I cried after meeting them, and I was like, oh my god, this is like,
Yeah, you're very overwhelmed.
I love it,
Because
like-
you're so down to earth.
But I
That's true.
love meeting like, you know, you guys. It makes me really, really, really
I
happy.
really wanted to mention about that video.
Thank you, thank you. My self-care Sunday series is like my
Yes,
favorite.
it is my favorite.
Back into our room after that amazing dinner, and Prince the parrot is wishing us good night. Jerry has been posting stories with parrots from all over the property. I think that they saw those stories. Jerry.
Prince the
and
parrot, thank you.
The Prince parrot is now in our bed. Can I just say that I do find it really adorable? Like, look at him, he's so cute. Jerry, I'm going to take this home and do it like this. The day was ending on such a great note for me because we had such a nice dinner and that unique experiential. The food was delicious. हम ठंड में थे but वो खाना इतना अच्छा था. It was a great combination, and then it just went notches higher because I bumped into a couple of followers on the way to the room from the restaurant. I don't think I can ever say enough times how grateful I am to have you guys in my life. I know it might seem extremely stupid to you, but every single time I meet you all, I feel just happy. So please know that if it is special for you, it is 10 times more special for me. Just putting it out there. Today's WearFam comment shout out goes to Falguni Deswal. Thank you for always talking to me in the comments. I cannot stress enough about how much I enjoy hearting, liking, responding and replying to all of your comments. I messed up the order today because I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but you get the message. Please make sure to turn those bell notifications on before you go away. I have done daily vlogs from these 2 days. We have one more day tomorrow and I will take you along with me for that as well. I do have an idea of tomorrow's itinerary and it seems really, really exciting. In fact, 2 things that I'm extra excited for tomorrow. So make sure you guys come back for that one. Okay, I'm gonna go take the makeup off, change into pajamas and go to sleep.
Good night.